Let's take a closer look at this pocket knife from Flissa. You can see here that it has a 3 1/4 inch blade, and some of the other features are included with a high impact plastic cover or handle, and it also has a pocket clip that you can either use on your belt or on your pocket. Now, I personally don't use the clip, and it's easily removed with 2 screws on the side. An additional feature on this knife from Flissa is the quality of the blade. This is D2 high carbon tool steel, and it's very durable and easy to keep a good edge on it. And another feature that I think is very attractive on this is the fact that you can see through, when it's open, the handle, where you can easily clean this knife. It does not have a pocket, and it can easily be washed out all the way through. And then finally, it is a lock back blade, which is critical for any pocket knife. So you can see here that it stays locked in place, and I'll show you that the feature that you unlock it is this pivoting spot inside the blade. Simply press back this feature inside the handle, and it allows the blade to be closed. I highly recommend this pocket knife from Flissa.